Welcome to Matera, one of Europe's most extraordinary cities. Imagine wandering through ancient cave dwellings, the famous Sassi, that have stood the test of time since the Paleolithic era. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of history and breathtaking scenery. As you stroll through its narrow alleys, you'll be captivated by stunning views of the ravine and centuries-old churches carved right in the rock. Did you know Matera has starred in Hollywood films like The Passion of the Christ and No Time to Die? It's a backdrop that adds a unique charm to any story. And when it comes to food, you can't leave without trying the local Orecchiette pasta, a true taste of southern Italy. Matera is an off-the-beaten-path gem, perfect for those who crave history and culture. It's a city that promises unforgettable experiences at every turn.